Cydium guava is a tropical fruit that is native to Central America, Mexico, and parts of South America. In many parts of the world, it is known simply as guava, but it has different names in different languages. For example, in Spanish, it is known as guayaba, in Portuguese it is goiaba, and in Hindi it is known as amrud. In some parts of Europe, it is known as goyav, or perua. Ultimately, the name for guava depends on the language and region you are in. In many parts of the world, it is known simply as guava, but it has different names in different languages. Here are the names for guava in some of the countries. China. In Chinese, guava is known as shilu, or fan shilu. Philippines. In the Philippines, guava is known as bayabas, in Tagalog and gayabano, in Spanish. Japan. In Japanese, guava is known as mamaro. Thailand. In Thai, guava is known as farang. Malaysia. In Malaysia, guava is known as jambu, in Malay. Indonesia. In Indonesian, guava is known as jambu biji, which literally means seeded guava. Brazil. In Brazil, guava is known as goiaba, in Portuguese. Guava is a nutritious fruit that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, with 1 cup of guava providing more than 500% of the daily recommended intake of this important vitamin. Guava is also a good source of other vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and E, folate, potassium, and magnesium. Additionally, guava contains a high amount of dietary fiber, which can help support healthy digestion and maintain regular bowel movements. In addition to the fruit, guava leaves have also been used in traditional medicine for their health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help protect against infections and promote wound healing. Guava leaves are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as potassium and magnesium. Some research has suggested that guava leaves may have potential health benefits for people with diabetes, as they may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. However, more research is needed to confirm these potential benefits. Guava leaves are often used in cooking, particularly in traditional dishes from Central and South America, Asia, and the Caribbean. In some regions, guava leaves are used to flavor stews and soups, while in others they are brewed into a tea or used to wrap meat or fish before cooking. Guava leaves are also sometimes used to make a natural food dye, which can be used to color various dishes. Some people also use guava leaves to make herbal remedies for a variety of ailments, including stomach aches and toothaches. The time it takes for a guava tree grown from seed to reach maturity can vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of guava, the climate and growing conditions, and the care and attention given to the tree. On average, however, it is estimated that it can take a guava tree grown from seed anywhere from 2 to 5 years to reach maturity and begin producing fruit. It is important to note that the tree may not produce a significant amount of fruit until it reaches 5 to 7 years of age. There are several ways to prepare guava leaves for use in cooking or for making herbal remedies. Here are a few examples. Guava leaf tea. One of the most common ways to use guava leaves is to make a tea. To do this, simply rinse a few fresh guava leaves, place them in a teapot or tea infuser, and pour boiling water over them. Let the tea steep for several minutes, then strain out the leaves and enjoy the tea hot or iced. Guava leaf infusion. Another way to use guava leaves is to make an infusion, which is similar to a tea but typically uses a larger amount of leaves and is steeped for a longer period of time. To make a guava leaf infusion, rinse a handful of fresh guava leaves and place them in a jar or other container. Pour boiling water over the leaves, making sure they are completely covered. Let the infusion steep for several hours or overnight, then strain out the leaves and enjoy the infusion. Guava leaf extract. To make a guava leaf extract, rinse a handful of fresh guava leaves and place them in a blender or food processor. Add a small amount of water and blend the leaves until they are broken down into a smooth, pulpy mixture. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any remaining solids, and store the extract in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Guava leaf powder. To make guava leaf powder, rinse a handful of fresh guava leaves and pat them dry with a paper towel. Spread the leaves out on a baking sheet and place them in an oven preheated to the lowest setting, usually around 150 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the leaves for several hours, or until they are completely dry and brittle. Once the leaves are cool, break or grind them into a fine powder and store in an airtight container. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.